bearded Heru, and everything is real. And today, I'm doing a real short video. A lot of my subscribers, they hit me and they say, hey man, why don't you do a couple more beard videos? You know, we really feeling the knowledge of self, and you know, why don't you do a couple more beard videos? So today, we doing how to apply beard oil the God way. Let's build.
I been official, big dog in the yard, voted most likely to murder every birthday.
Now the beard oil we'll be using today is just grooming. Just grooming for the beard king. You know what I'm talking about? Oh yeah, and in regards to when you're applying your beard oil, I only really got one major tip and a couple small ones, but one major tip to me. Now I'ma ask you, when people see me out, and people who really know me, who watch these videos, when y'all see me out, and y'all see my beard, now you ask yourself the question, who you gonna believe? You gonna believe them, or you gonna believe God? Just like I thought. But my major tip is to never apply beard oil to a dry beard. Hey man, to me, in my opinion, that's a big no-no. Never apply your beard oil or really any of your products to a dry beard. You know, now I got a bald head, but I know darn well, right, when I had hair many moons ago, that before I put that wave grease on, I probably just got out the shower, or I probably put a hot rag on it, and then I would put the wave grease in and slap a do-rag on. The same principle, but I ain't slapping no do-rag on my face. You know what I'm saying? Remind me when I was young, man, and you know, in the hood, people used to put blue magic grease in their hair. You know what I'm saying? That blue magic, I think they got the green magic too, but that blue magic, man, with them, you know, with that naturally nappy, you know what I'm talking about? One more thing, when it comes to your beard oil, you really want to make sure your beard oil got all natural products, and you don't really want all that synthetic stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Try to keep it as natural as possible when it comes to the products. And you know this one look pretty good. But try to keep natural products. Don't put that other stuff in your face, man, and your beard is gonna dry your face out. You know, just like putting synthetic products on the top of your hair. You know, it's gonna dry it out. So look out for that. In regards to not putting your beard oil in a dry beard, you know, I normally, you know, when I'm getting myself together and I'm, you know, finna really get in, you know, God mode, get in God mode, you know, I'm finna put my products, my beard balms, you know, my beard creams and my beard oils, I'm finna put them in my beard after I get out the shower, probably about 15 minutes after I get out the shower, because, you know, I'm really like, you don't want it wet. You want like a light mist. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. So you don't really want it wet. You want like a light mist, you know? But if you ain't just get out the shower, you know, just wash your face one more time. You know what I'm saying? This is what I do when I'm applying my beard oil, since I got a nice sized beard. As I do this. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get it up and down. And then I get like just a little bit more. I rub it in my hand. See, my theory in doing that is when I'm putting it in, I'm getting it down to the deepest part to the roots of the beard. You know what I'm saying? To the roots, and then when I get that little bit, I'm just putting it on the top. Ooh. Oh, I got that beard right. Already with nothing else. In the day, I'm gonna use my old school pick. You know what I'm saying? Use my old school pick. You know? Use my old school pick. But now it's time for a pro tip. After you get that oil in, you bring out that hot pick. Bring out that Old Faithful. That shot a red hot pick. Pull him out. But don't be mad at me, cause you ain't got no shot of red hot pick. I don't know what else to tell you, man. But after I do the hot pick, a couple times down, and there you have it. I'm not putting nothing else in there today. No beard cream, no beard butters, no beard balms. I'm just rocking with the oil today. You know what I'm looking real godly, you know, if I say so myself. And there you have it. How to apply beard oil by yours truly, the bearded Heru. Hey man, that was some beard game for you right there, man. Go check them other videos out. That's some cold pieces. And like always, go ahead and like and subscribe so you can come on and vibe what you got. But like I said, man, take that beard tip, man, and run with it. But you know, that's some cold beard game for you. You know, how to apply beard oils. Like I said, we ain't doing nothing else to it. Man, don't put your beard oils or any of your beard products, but since we're talking about beard oils today, don't put your beard oils in your beard when it's dry. You know what I'm saying? Get you a light mist after you get out the shower. Let it dry, let it air dry for a little while. Or just wash your face lightly one time. You know what I'm saying? But hey man, that short of red hot pick, that's the game changer. And the beard oil, you know, that's what the leak read. This the bearded Heru, and everything is real. Peace.
I been official, big dog in the yard, voted most likely to murder every birthday.